Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Ladies and gentlemen, right now it's time to take a look again in the gold market. Well guys, you can see that our suspicions were not in vain, and really market has shown really nice appreciation yesterday, mostly due to the not really positive numbers in the United States economy. Particularly speaking, ISM index was a bit weak, especially in relation to the employment in the service sector. So that has pushed market higher, and gold market finally has shown the upward action that we have discussed. So minor target, minimum target has been completed since long term the Polish dynamic pressure was forming here, and we said the minimum target probably will be taken into this top. So as you can see, market has dried up this top, grabbed the stops, probably have been placed here or maybe not yet, and holds really nice stance, right, coiling around this former top around 1260. Market right now, guys, is not at ever bad, so it really has chances to continue move higher. So as you know, our next destination point is 1280 area by some reasons. First of all, because this is the target of the butterfly that we have discussed here. If you will take a look, this is our major pattern that we would like to get. As you can see, 127 extension of this swing, so you probably easily could recognize the butterfly. We will take a look again at it in the 4-hour time frame chart, but I just will show you how it looks on the daily. Right, so we have nicely looking butterfly with the minimum target 1284, 1283 probably. But this is not only the reason why we will be watching just for this area. The other reasons is because 1285 is the weekly Fib resistance, and market will be overbought on the weekly chart if it will touch it. That's why we think the real barrier and real problems for the market to pass this area just in a blink of an eye immediately, it probably will not happen. It could reach it, but hardly it will exceed it immediately. That's why in the short-term perspective, we mostly look for that area as the final destination for a current trading week. And maybe this will trigger some retracement, because take a look, butterfly very often could become the part of the head and shoulders pattern. For example, market could trigger some meaningful retracement that we're talking about, with the reaching of areas around 1180, retesting of the 12 even. Also, don't forget, here we have the yearly pivot point, so maybe some retracement could happen because market is really overbought on the high time frame charts, and this will be some kind of the finalization of this starting rally in the current year. The first leg will be completed by the reversal pattern. When we talked about this here, we said, well, market has completed the first leg. Right now it should show some retracement. This pattern will put the foundation for this retracement, because this is a reversal pattern potentially. Well, I would like to say that this definitely will happen, but this is just a logical construction how it really could take place. But this is a bit too early speech on this possible retracement. First of all, let's wait for a completion of this butterfly. Maybe it will happen even today. So 1283 is our destination for the current week. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, it's an interesting moment. Here, as you can see, this has worked. Our setup has worked very nice yesterday. So first sign that we have recognized was that market turns up prior reaching of this lower border. This is the first pattern that we got yesterday. Second was the consolidation of the flag below the resistance of this triangle, and finally it has led to the breakout. By this action, market has completed its minor butterfly 127 extension, 1264 approximately, But take a look. I have marked this a red arrow to the upside. Take a look. Market has shown the real acceleration right to the 127 targets. You can see definitely signs of thrust here. Usually when this forms, usually when it happens, the chances that the market will proceed to the 1618 are really significant. So minor retracement here could happen, but later market should continue move higher. It's 1618. It's interesting that 1618 target of the minor butterfly coincides with the 127 of our daily pattern. So it stands approximately the same area, 1280, 1283. So right now we expect to get this action to the upside. Maybe this will happen on non-farm payrolls, maybe it will happen on the next week, but that is logical destination for the gold market in the short-term perspective. On the hourly chart, guys, if we would suggest that market will show some retracement here, then we think that's very nice area to watch for is 1250, because this is confidence support on the hourly chart, and this, guys, also the upper border that has broken line of the triangle. I will show you. That's triangle, as you can see, trend line stands in agreement with the confidence confidence support, and this will be a very nice area that gold could retest before upward action will happen. I'm not sure that this definitely will happen, and I'm not sure this will happen today, but if market will start to show some retracement down, maybe payrolls will be the reason for that retracement in particular, and after that market will turn to the upside. But anyway, 1250 area is the one that we will be watching for on a possible retracement. So that being said, in the nearest perspective, today and maybe in the beginning of the next week, we expect two things. First one is the possible retesting of this area. Second one is the continuation to the 1280, 1284, the completion of these patients. At the same time, as I said, we are not sure that the first step will happen, that market definitely will reach this area. Maybe it will continue directly to the 1284, and after that it will drop here. It's also possible. But anyway, this, guys, really, it's not really important how it will happen, whether the market will test it first or will test it second, because major point that we are watching for is the completion of these butterflies. So maybe market even will test it before non-farm payrolls, and if non-farm payrolls will be really nice and good, that could trigger retracement down. This will be very logical. This also is one of the scenarios that could happen. But the two levels stands the same. First level is 1284, second and 1250. That's more interesting right now. So let's keep watching what will happen.